What is up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the day we all are waiting for. Today is the day we paint our KP30. So this project has been abandoned for like few months. I guess some of you thought that the car is not there anymore, or maybe I sold the car, but the car is still here and I'm still working hard to restore the car as far as I can. So today is actually the day that we are going to paint the car. So basically the car is primed and the car is currently sanded with the 500 grit. Restoring the old car is not easy, especially the body paint work, because there's a lot of rust and it's not easy to restore an old car than a new car. So this KP30 is basically 1972 I guess, or 1974, which is almost 50 years old. So I'm so glad that we are here today. The car is running, everything is good, it just needs a new body work, and the body work was the hardest things to do. It cost us around 8 months to get here, to get to the day we can finally paint the car. So it's okay, here is the day. This is what I mean by busy. There's tons of new arrival here for me to restore and resell them. They are all looking good. Advanced A3A, Sharax, Techno TRV, NKP Racing, and we got a Hayashi Command, AME 781, and we got a 4K engine here. And this car has been sitting here for 8 months. And here's my dad KP30 looking good, and we can't wait to finish my car and we can finally back on road together, both of us. And this is actually our new toys, but I don't want to reveal it first. Maybe I will make another video of this car, the blue car. You guys might guess what car is it, okay? Alright guys, so here is the paint. So yes, this is the clear coat, the thinner, and this is my dad. Yeah. So here's the filter. Wow. Wow. So you have to put the filter on. The paint has to go through this thing. Here is the color review. Wow guys. Wow.
Kang Mai.
Hah?
Sama? Tidak menyesal, ha?
Yeah. Let's go.
Barulah masak terus.
So here goes the color.
它盖在哪里那个？
不拿了。
这个不是这个的。
我没有拿到盖哦。
哎呀，这
不买的口罩啊？口罩？没有口罩啊？
Melo Pink Rp3.80. Bagus minum ini Lana.
Alright guys, so we are actually using this, I don't know what you call this. So we are wiping away all the something like dust, but it's not a dust. So you can see here. Okay, so here's the clear coat. This is an A and B mix. We're gonna put the big one first. This is the small one.
Hardener.
Yeah, hardener. I'm sorry guys.
Small one.
The small one is called hardener, according to Mr. My Dad.
Mr. My Dad.
After that, you're gonna put the thinner.
快点。
Thinner is in. Okay guys, let's rock it. Alright guys, so this thing is really not easy. The clear coat, I don't know how to describe it. If you paint too much, the clear coat, they call it crying. Look at this, it will goes down. So it means that your clear coat is too much. So here is the back side. We try our best. It is already the best. Look at this. Okay. So here is the right side. Clear coat is up. Here, the roof, the door, and this is the front panel. And this is the bonnet, the hoods. So basically this thing is really not easy, which there is a lot of challenge. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. So I'm actually so grateful that this car is finally painted, even though it's not 100% perfect, but at least we did it our own and it feels satisfied to build with your own hands. So after today we got a tons of things to do with this car. Got an interior to clean it up. We have to install all the weather stripe. We're gonna start putting all the parts back and we're gonna start putting all the parts back like the tail lamps and the front end and everything. We're gonna complete this car, everything, and also the front lips, or you call it the front spoiler. I'm gonna install the fiberglass one. I'm gonna go to a shop to custom it. So we got a tons of things to do. So thank you so much for making to the end of the video. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you.